Ayan. Astig naman ang hair mo. Pinatali mo rin ito minsan.
Opo.
Gusto mo naman yung hair mo?
Opo.
Ah, galing ah. Gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan. Sige, sige. Anong talent mo?
Dancing po.
Dancing. Okay ka lang ba? Relax ka lang ha. Huwag kang kakabahan. Kailangan enjoy lang yung performance. Okay ba? Okay, sige. Panoorin na natin si male participant 088.
Do you feel me? Let's go.
Okay, sige, let's have our next one. Female participant 110. Hello, baby girl. I love your aura. What's your name? Asini. Okay ba naman yung name mo? Saan galing yung name mo? Ah, okay. Sino nagbigay ng name niyo po? Ano po ibig sabihin ng name mo? Okay, joke lang. Sige, may tanong ako sa'yo. Meron ka bang favorite na cartoon character? Sino po? Si Anna. Si Anna. Si Princess Anna, tama ba? Sino po? Anika. Ang cute. Ayan, friend mo si Furion. Sige, ano po ang talent mo po? Ang sasayaw ka. Enjoy lang ikaw, okay? Tapos do your best. Kailangan mataas ang energy. Okay ba yan? Okay, sige, let's get ready. Female participant 110. For your performance. Okay, again, stand by our next talent. Pakistandby na rin po ang kanilang music. Alright, so again, reminder po sa lahat ng winners po ng prelims po for today na papasok sa regionals will be posted in the next 5 days via SM City San Lazaro Facebook page or pwede pong i-check sa aming microsite www.smsupermalls.com/smlittlestars. So again, hindi na po kailangan tapusin ang preliminaries for today because the announcements naman po will be made online in the next 5 days. So paki-like na lamang po ang Facebook page ng SM City San Lazaro. Also, we would like to thank our partners and media partners because SM Little Stars 2024 is in partnership with National University, Sparkle GMA Artist Center, and Suzuki. SM Supermalls would also like to thank our media partners, Manila Bulletin, Philippine Star, Philippine Daily Inquirer, Daily Tribune, Manila Standard, Manila Times, Business Mirror, Business World, Malaya Business Insight, Inquirer.net, Philstar.com, Philippine Graphics, Village Connect, DWIZ, Home Radio, and Aleo Channel 23. So once again, ini-invite po namin ang mga mayroong talented kids na mga parents out there. Baka mayroon pong itiyatagong talento ang inyong mga kids. Just prepare a maximum of 1 minute. May it be singing, dancing, acting, or any kinds of talents, kung ating pwede po yan for SM Little Stars 2024, all you have to do po is to just register your kids. Meron po tayong mga staff within the events area, so please approach them po so you can register your kids. So mag-aantay tayo dito until later. Yeah, so aantay po namin ang inyong mga kids. See you kids! Mag-audition na po for SM Little Stars 2024. Female participant 012. Okay, what's your name? Pakilala ikaw.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexandra Sophia V. Ongoco.
Okay, Alex, wow, ganda naman ng earrings mo, parang ano ka, nagdalaga ka na. Ikaw rin ba minsan nag-aayos sa sarili mo? Ikaw din po nag-aayos minsan sa sarili mo? Ikaw din po nagsusuklay, ganon? Ah, very good. Kasi at your age, you have to know how to groom yourself. Okay ba yan? Ah, sige. What's your talent?
Dancing po.
Okay, so are you ready?
Opo.
Okay, enjoy your performance. Okay, let's have female participant 102. Welcome our next one, female participant 143. Wow naman, parang princess. What's your name, pangalan?
Hi everybody, my name is Isabel A. David. You can call me Aya.
Aya. Okay, Aya, ayan. Mag-smile ka nga, Aya. Ayan, alam ko, mas pretty ka talaga pag nakasmile. Oh, Aya, ang ganda ng damit mo ngayon. Para kang princess. Diba? Parang yung mga princess na napapanood natin. Sino yung favorite princess mo?
Princess Sophia.
Ah, Princess Sophia. Maganda rin yun. Cute din si Princess Sophia, diba? Oh, sige, what's your talent for today?
I'm gonna dance, a ballet dance.
Ah, ang ballet dance! Wow, kaya pala naka-ballet shoes ka. O sige, are you ready na?
Yes.
Sige, enjoy your performance, okay? Do your best. Okay, let's have female participant 143. prizes at stake sa mananalong, of course, ang matatanghalin rank winners will, of course, each of them will receive total of 100,000 worth of cash and as a gift certificates, 30,000 worth of Toy Kingdom gift cards, brand new Suzuki Desire GLMT for each of the winners, 1-year management contract from Sparkle GMA Artist Center, 100% discount on tuition fee and miscellaneous fees at National University, trip for 2 to Korea for 5 days and 4 nights, annual pass certificate for unlimited bowling game and skating admission valid for 1 year, 30 regular ride tickets at SM By the Way Amusement Park and Sky Ranch, gift vouchers for a 2-night stay with breakfast for 2 at Radisson Blue Cebu. So kids, what are you waiting for? Audition now for SM Little Stars 2024 and win over 15 million worth of prizes. On to the next one, a female participant 150. Hello! Excited siya. Hello, what's your name?
Mia Mariaga.
Mia? Wow, nice naman ang name mo. Bango-bango pa ni Mia. Hagapon. Okay, ang cute naman ang outfit mo. Summer talaga. Oh, what's your talent for today?
Dance.
The dance ka? Practice mo po yung dance mo?
Yeah.
You love this, dance and you love this song?
Yeah.
Sige, we can't wait to watch your talent. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, pero dapat mag-enjoy. Okay lang ba mag-smile ikaw? Ayan. Okay, much better. Let's have female participant 150.